Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the cause. Boot into safe mode to temporarily disable all third-party apps so you can see if ads stop. Once in safe mode, open Settings right arrow apps and sort by install date to find recent or unfamiliar installs. Uninstall anything suspicious. Also go to Special App Access and revoke Display over other apps for apps you don't recognize, because many home screen pop-ups exploit that permission to show overlays. Once done, next inspect persistent permissions and protections. You should remove device admin rights from any app you don't trust, because those prevent normal uninstalls. Then reset app preferences to restore disabled system apps and notifications to defaults. This often reveals the ad source. After that, run a reputable Android antivirus scan and review browser settings and extensions. Clear browser data and disable pop-up permissions if set. These steps finally uninstall any remaining offending apps, and if the launcher itself is compromised, install a trusted launcher from Google Play and set it as default. Make sure to back up contacts, photos, and messages before a factory reset, because reset is the final remedy when nothing else works. If ads still appear after reset, wipe the system cache partition or contact the device maker. Sometimes firmware-level overlays require OEM intervention to remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.